An increasing trend these days is a skin lightening treatment, like creams, or skin whitening pills. Glutathione drinks is one of those things, which are effective in skin lightening, but these come with side effects too. For those who are looking for more natural alternatives, here is a homemade solution for glutathione drinks that is very effective for the skin and have no side effects on the body. Today's video will discuss how to make homemade glutathione drink 100% natural and 100% effective. Full body whitening drink with simple ingredients. For this drink you'll need orange juice 1 glass, 1 kiwi fruit, make a paste, 1 apple juice. Method: mix all the juices, and drink in an empty stomach daily, for at least 7 days a week. You will start seeing the visible results, and if you continue to drink this full body whitening juice on a regular basis, you will see your color of your body will start changing. Are you going to try this? If you want more full body whitening drinks recipe, comment me below.